Welcome to our Dribbble online job platform review. In today's video, we'll explore the features that make Dribbble a go-to platform for creative professionals looking for job opportunities. You'll find a link to Dribbble in the description below, so make sure to check it out after the video. Dribbble is an incredible platform for designers, illustrators, animators, and other creative professionals to showcase their work and connect with potential employers. Unlike traditional job platforms, Dribbble focuses specifically on creative portfolios, allowing users to post shots of their best work. This visual approach is what sets Dribbble apart. It's not just about resumes and text, it's about showcasing your creativity in its most visual form. One of the standout features of Dribbble is the portfolio functionality. As a member, you can upload high-quality images or videos to show off your design, illustration, or other creative projects. The platform allows for easy organization, letting you group shots into different projects or categories. Your profile acts as a live digital portfolio that you can use to attract employers or clients. Dribbble also offers an excellent job board that focuses specifically on creative job opportunities. Companies and agencies post job listings for full-time, part-time, freelance, and remote positions. It's tailored to the creative industry, making it easy for designers, illustrators, UI/UX experts, and more to find relevant opportunities. You can search for jobs based on location, job type, and experience level. Another noteworthy feature of Dribbble is its community. It's a place where you can follow fellow creatives, receive feedback, and connect with others in your field. The platform fosters collaboration and inspiration, which is crucial for growing as a creative professional. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced designer, Dribbble helps you stay connected with industry trends and peers. In conclusion, Dribbble is a fantastic platform for creative professionals who want to showcase their portfolios and find job opportunities. With its clean design, dedicated job board, and community-driven features, Dribbble provides an ideal environment for creatives to thrive. Check out the link in the description and get started with Dribbble today.